What is confidence? Confidence is believe yourself and believe your ability. And that means any kind of challenge handle without hesitation. Assalamu alaikum PT people. Good time to all of you. I trust you all are keeping good and high spirits. As for me, I also feeling good and fantastic. This is Bashir Ahmed in front of you. My Istria number is 6971 and my batch number is 149. First of all, praise to Almighty Allah who has given me the opportunity to say something in front of all of you. Now I put down to say about confidence. What is confidence? Confidence is believe yourself and believe your ability. And that means any kind of challenge handle without hesitation. And that time you will achieve your goals without hesitation. And what types of confidence? Three types of confidence: social confidence, situational confidence, and self-confidence. So it can be exemplified about it. Self-confidence. Self-confidence is believe yourself and believe your ability to succeed. And social confidence. Social confidence is introducing yourself and to new people without hesitation. It's called social confidence. And situational confidence. Situational confidence is specific activities. And for example, a footballer or a cricketer in confidence on the field. Right now, I would like to talk about why is confidence crucial for us. It makes me helps grow our leadership skills, and it grow our communication skills and boost our motivation to succeed. Right now, I would like to talk about how do you build your confidence. So never give up, keep focusing, keep learning. Until then, stay well, stay healthy. May Allah have mercy on us. Thank you so much for having patience.